And as soon as the 73-year-old crusader Anna Hazare broke his fast, hundreds of people across the nation rose in one voice to celebrate the success of what is being seen as a people's movement. People from all age groups, you can see there children as well as the elderly, not of course just the youth, but also professionals who came out voicing their support. And of course, whose support has touched the hearts of many across the nation.
Don't give up, don't get violent, and let's be a free country and let's rule the world.
Greatest day for India and greatest day for the Indian citizens. I think I have all the hope, and I'm 100% optimistic that it is a good beginning. At least, I think it will do a good job. At least, if not 100%, 50% is good enough.
Tell you how effective this bill is. The bill which the government based was toothless, which was baseless actually. Now the bill which the Jan Lokpal bill, actually it will bring all the corrupt politicians to questionable. We can question them, we can make them accountable, we can also get back what they have taken from the country.
This means from revolt to rejoice o'clock. Everyone's happy here, brimming with joy. So it's just that this is the beginning of it. So it's the first step scaled in the big mountain of corruption. So well, probably we still have a long way to go. But then the youth of this country are very optimistic about this. We are here for a reason, and we are going to win over all the corruption and all the obstacles that the country is everything. This is the spirit here, guys.
Politics will no longer be the highest paying profession in the country. Those who really want to serve the country will come in politics and they will do good for the nation.
Strongly and form this bill so that the corruption is eradicated from the country. It's high time. Many money have been looted, and it's enough is enough now.
Fight for what politics has a drawback, a loophole at a grassroots level that needs to be addressed.
आज का दिन देश के लिए इतना महत्वपूर्ण है कि भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ जो एक मुहिम चलाई थी, अन्ना हजारे, स्वामी अग्निवेश, किरण बेदी, स्वामी रामदेव, ऐसे लोगों ने जो मुहिम चलाई, उसका एक परिणाम है ये आज जो हम सबकी जीत हुई है, देश की जनता की जीत हुई है.
We will go all the way. This is the right thing. People wanted a leadership, and leadership has come. All young people, irrespective of their caste, creed and religion, they had got together today here.
I just congratulate all the fellow Indians in India and abroad to show this great unity and diversity, and we have won this war. But this is just the beginning, and we are going to fight it till the end, till we improve India and we just bring it to the top.
This is Anna victory. This is our victory. अन्ना, हम आपके साथ हैं. आगे भी हम यंगस्टर्स आपके साथ ही रहेंगे. आप देश को करप्शन से छुटकारा दिला रहे हैं. We would like to thank you very much.
मैं अन्ना हूँ. ये हमारी जीत है. ये भारत की जीत है.